How do I keep my cat's claws dull? Filing cat claws gently. If you have a cat, you may have noticed it clawing your skin, your furniture, or even the carpet. But did you know that scratching is a common behavior for cats? They do it to stretch, move about, identify their territory, and get rid of their dead claws' outer covering. Sadly, if their claws are excessively sharp, their clawing could hurt things. So how do you stop your cat from scratching everything in sight and keep their claws dull? We'll look into those responses and others in this article. 1. Offer scratching surfaces. Giving your cat a scratching post is one of the most effective ways to keep their claws dull. Cats adore scratching surfaces with a texture they can sink their claws into, such as cardboard, sisal, and wood. You may prevent your cat from scratching your furniture or other surfaces by giving them a specific place to scratch, such as a scratching post. Make sure the scratching post you choose is tall enough for your cat to stretch out on, stable enough to not wobble, and situated in a spot where your cat frequently hangs out. 2. Cut your claws short. Regularly trimming your cat's claws is another technique to prevent them dull. Nail clippers are used to remove the tips of the claws during the straightforward process of trimming your cat's claws. In addition to keeping their claws dull, cutting them will lessen the possibility of your cat accidentally scratching you or others. You'll need a pair of nail clippers made specifically for cats that are clean and sharp, as well as a firm yet kind grasp on your cat to trim its claws. The quick, which is the pink portion of the nail and includes blood vessels and nerves, should not be cut. If you're not confident clipping your cat's claws, think about getting a doctor or cat groomer to help. 3. File the claws of your cat. Another approach to keep your cat's claws dull and stop damage to your skin and furniture is to file them. To carefully sand down the tips of your cat's claws, use a nail file or emery board. Make sure to only file in one direction when filing your cat's claws, and stay away from the quick. If your cat doesn't feel comfortable using the clippers, you might file your cat's claws instead of clipping them. Although electric nail files are available for cats, a straightforward emery board will work just as well. 4. Employ soft paws. 4. To stop your cat from scratching anything, you can cover its claws with soft paws, which are vinyl nail caps. Soft paws are safe and compassionate for your cat, and they come in a variety of colors and sizes. You must first trim your cat's claws before using soft paws. Next, apply a small quantity of glue to the inside of the cap, and slide it over the claw. As your cat's claws grow, soft paws will naturally come off after up to 6 weeks. While soft paws won't completely stop your cat from scratching, they will lessen the damage. 5. Teach your cat. Keeping your cat's claws dull and teaching them proper scratching technique are both beneficial goals of training. By putting a scratching post in a spot where your cat frequently scratches and rewarding them with goodies and praise when they use it, you can teach your cat to use it. Discourage your cat from scratching furniture by